Hi, I'm Jon Royal from the Center for Health and Harmony, and I'm here today to talk to you about the workshop series, Six Truths to Empowered Living. And a lot of people ask me, well, what happens in these workshops? So we're going to talk about what happens in the first workshop, which is called Mastering Change. Mastering Change is how do I get rid of that sour note? All right? All of us have, unfortunately, somewhere in our lives a sour note. It can be in our finances, it can be in our relationships, it can be in our work or career, it can be in our health, it can be in how we feel about ourselves, some area of our life that just isn't quite clicking as well as the other parts. And the rest of it's kind of going along pretty well. I believe that we come with a natural drive of spirit to change and become all that we can be, to be the expression of who we really are in this world. And that we want to create a meaningful life, we want to be a contribution in life. All those things are part of our innate healing process, but we don't know how to make it happen on a permanent basis. So we get into change, but oftentimes it's just a temporary process. So temporary change is like your New Year's resolution. Okay, I'm going to go work out at the Y. I'm going to be on this diet. I'm going to meditate every day. I'm going to ride my bike on a regular basis, or something like that. And it lasts for a while, but eventually it's kind of like if I'm holding this book up. I can withstand the weight of gravity for a while, but eventually my arm is going to get tired and it's going to win. It's going to go down. So that is what temporary change is like, and that's what we get most of the time in our life. What we're looking at creating is how do you learn how to create permanent change. So permanent change has two components actually you have to deal with. One is the causal level. Okay, the causal level is what creates gravity in the first place. The causal level is that subconscious pattern which you're not even aware is there, because if you knew it was there, you just change it. Okay, so it's not something you think yourself away from or something like that, but it's a mislearning or some kind of past trauma or something that happened in your development which you're not even aware of. And so we're going to examine those parts of your life very carefully and help you identify those areas and help you also have techniques to release those so that they aren't part of your operating system anymore that continually recreates that kind of thing. The second thing you have to do then is you have to deal with a habit and habitual behavior. We'll deal with that more in a later workshop. We're also going to talk about what's your life lesson. What's going on this planet? Who am I here and what do I have to give at some level? And we'll dissect, like I said, the operating system. We're going to do this by teaching you the basics of breathing and how you can use this powerful technique, which we way underestimate in Western culture how to do. And we're going to teach you how to do that so you'll be able to use this the rest of your life and create this as an ongoing habit there. Now, it's not just about the book knowledge. This is about actually doing the work. In the classrooms, you get to do the work on the weekend or in the intensive, and then you also get to do the practicing between workshops. So we'd love to see you in our workshops. Come back and check into workshop number 2 if you'd like. Thanks very much.